Welcome to Kumartini Korner, your home for do-it-yourself cocktails. Today, our drink is going to be a Blue Martini. For a Blue Martini, you need tequila, and the one I like to use is a Reposado. Today, this one is Legado, and Blue Curacao, and lots of fresh lime. Take your cocktail shaker. I filled it up with ice already. To that, I am going to first squeeze 3 half fresh limes. Take 1.5 ounces of Blue Curacao and add it to this cocktail shaker. Martinis are strong, so we need to take 3 ounces of the tequila. So grab that as well. Once you got everything in your cocktail shaker, shake it up. And now pour it in your martini glass. It's the lovely blue color, soothing blue color. Your Blue Martini is ready. Enjoy. Now please do let me know how did it taste for you. And of course, please remember to like this video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Let's build a big community.